Are you looking to lose some belly fat? Do not worry, you are not alone. Today, we are going to do 3 poses that will help you improve your core strength, which is very important when trying to lose that stubborn belly fat. So let's get started. The first pose is Padasana, or the standing forward bend. Now how to do this pose? Stand with feet together and hands on either side of the body. Shoulders rolled back and spine long. Fix your gaze at a point ahead of you. Inhaling deeply, lift your hand upwards, giving a good stretch to your spine. As you exhale, bring your hands down to touch your toes or grasp your ankles, keeping your knees straight. Remember to keep your head and hands together as a unit as you bend down or rise up for maximum benefit. Keep your knees straight. Try to touch your forehead to the knees. Stay in this pose for 10 to 20 seconds. Inhaling, rise by raising your hands up above your head, and exhaling, bring your arms down with a backward rotation. Do this asana 3 times. This pose reduces fat around the abdominal region. It also improves your digestion, makes your spine flexible and the mind calm. However, avoid this pose in cases of hypertension, cardiac ailments, peptic ulcers, hernia, cervical spondylitis, slip disc, serious eye disorders, and spinal abnormalities. Even women who are pregnant must avoid this pose. The next pose is Nokasana, also called as the boat pose. Now how to do this pose? Lie down on the mat on your back, feet together and hands on either side, palms facing down. Inhale deeply and then exhaling, lift both your chest and legs off the ground. Keep your arms stretched forward with your fingers pointing towards your feet. Keep toes at eye level and abdomen pulled in. With only your seat on the ground, your body will resemble the shape of a boat. Beginners, stay in this pose for 10 seconds with normal breathing. With regular practice, build up to a 1-minute hold. Now exhaling, release and return onto your mat. Practice 3 rounds of this pose. This pose will not only strengthen your core but also improve the functioning of your digestive system. However, avoid this pose in cases of back injury, low blood pressure, severe headache, heart ailments, as well as during menstrual cycle and during pregnancy. The next pose is Santhanasana, also called as the plank pose. Now how to do this pose? To begin with, come into tabletop pose by placing your hands just under your shoulders and knees bent. Now straighten your legs one by one. Keep your legs and spine in one line and your arms and shoulders straight and active. Abdomen must be pulled in, neck straight. Hold this pose for 10 seconds with normal breathing. With practice, increase the duration to 1 to 2 minutes of hold. When done, come back to the tabletop pose and sit in Vajrasana or Sukhasana. Practice 3 rounds of this pose. This pose strengthens the core and the entire body tremendously. Your shoulders and wrists become stronger with regular practice. However, avoid this pose in cases of injuries, arthritis and heart ailments. Practicing yoga can be a great way to target the stubborn flab in your abdominal region. Along with these poses, do be mindful to consume more of home-cooked meals instead of eating junk and processed food. Consciously make healthier food choices on a daily basis to get faster results. Please consult a medical practitioner before you try these poses at home to know what is right for you. Do share your thoughts and keep watching this space for more such content.